This is clearly the Monna Lisa. From the Mint of Paris, the oldest mint on earth. I did an earlier video, maybe 10 videos ago, the silver high relief version of this coin. So I go into some detail if you're interested, but I just wanted to just share this briefly. It's a beautiful coin. Comes in this beautiful box with this great case, COA. Mintage of 500, proof finish in French and English. It's a magnificent coin. So I love having both silver and gold versions of it. This is a coin I prefer to just be quiet. I'll turn it over here for you if you want. I talk about all this in the silver video. You can go back. These are all the most important museums in France that house masterpieces on this level. Over and out. Keep stacking.